Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to download freely an OpenStreetMap in S3 shapefile format that is readable by various GIS packages from an open source website. So this is a section of the study area I have downloaded, and you can see all the building footprints, the road networks, and other land user features around the study area I downloaded. So I'm just going to show you how to download and import it into ArcGIS Pro for further analysis easily. So let me just close this. So therefore you launch into your Chrome browser on your laptop, and you search for BB Bike extract. Click on enter. So the BB Bike extract is the website that you can download OpenStreetMap in shapefile and other formats of interest. So this first option is what you should click on, and it's going to launch you into the platform. All right, so you can just zoom out to easily navigate to your country of interest. Make sure your system is connected to an active internet. All right, so I'm just going to swap to Africa. All right, so I want to download a particular study area in Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm just going to zoom in to Lagos. All right, so somewhere in Ikeja is where I want to download. Okay, all right, so this is fine by me. So after you zoom into your study area, so this is Ikeja area here, so I'm okay with this region. Therefore, you're expected to delineate your study area, so depending on how you want it. However, in the course of this video I'm going to delineate it this way. All right, so these are the informations you'll be needing to fill up on the website. So the format you need is shapefile, so that's the default. You can click on the drop down to see other formats of interest if you want. All right, however I'm going to leave it as shapefile S3. Then the name of your study area, that is the name of area you want to extract. So I'm just going to call this Ikeja. All right, so you should fill up this box, and the most important thing here is your email address. So I'm just going to fill up the email address. So easyjuspacious@gmail.com is my email address. So you fill up your email address there, and then next you click on here. So when you click on here, it's going to bring out a particular section box. This is actually showing the extent you want to download from the entire website, right? So therefore, if you want to move this box, which is the extent you want to download, you click on it. You are going to see an orange circle, so you drag the orange circle, to move the box. All right, depending on the area you want to download. So if you are not comfortable with how this box is, you can still manipulate this, all right, by clicking on add point to polygon. You select this box, then you can now click on the box twice, so you are going to see the other points on the box. So this will give you the advantage to define your extent based on your study area. So you can see how I am actually dragging the points based on your study area you want to download. All right, so you can manipulate and make sure you cover your study area you want to download. So I'm okay this way. So if you want to go beyond, you can go beyond. If you want to go below, you understand, you can go below. So after you define the extent you want to download, you are going to see the file size. So it is about 6 MB. This whole study area is about 6 MB, right? And after that, you can now click on extract, but make sure you have filled up all of this information as I stated earlier. So you click on extract. So it's going to take 2 to 7 minutes for you to get it in your email box. All right, so you can just go to your email to wait for in 2 minutes time. In 2 minutes time it's going to drop on my email, so therefore just give it a little bit time. Right, so in 2 minutes time, if you don't get any email on your email address, so you click on refresh to refresh, and if you cannot see it under your inbox, all right, this is what you will not see in many video online. All right, so you click on more, then you go to your spam. All right, so you click on spam, then you can definitely see it. So this is what many video online will not show you. So under spam, you are going to find your data that you have actually downloaded from the BB Bike website. So you click on it to open, then you can just scroll down. So this is the download link, the one you see .zip, right? So other ones are just other informations. Okay, so click on this particular link to download. All right, so it is downloading already, and it is done downloading. Okay, so I'm just going to click on downloads, and here it is. Click on this folder icon here, and it's going to lead you to the zip. So you need to extract this folder, the zipped folder, by scrolling down to your WIRA, then you click on extract files, then you click on OK. So yes, it is done extracting. So this is the shapefile containing all features of interest that was downloaded from the website. So the next thing is to open any of your GIS packages. So I'm just going to open my ArcGIS Pro. So I'm going to open a new project. Alright, so I'm just going to come to map so that you can have the advantage to add your data, and I'm going to uncheck this base maps. So I don't need the base maps. So you come to your add data icon, click on data, then you navigate to where you have your data saved. So I have it under my downloads, and here it is, planet 3.3 and all that. So you open it, then these are the shape files. So you select the first one, then you press shift on your keyboard, then you select the last one so that you can highlight all of the shape files features. Okay, and you add it at a go. So guys, this is what we downloaded from the BB Bike website. So this is how to download a shapefile from an open source website freely. So you can see all of the point features, all of the road networks, and other waterways and other features of interest. So you can see that under your layer here. These are the features. So you can change the color of each features if you want, and you can make use of the data for further analysis, especially if you are mapping street guide map. This video is definitely going to help you out when you are mapping for street guide map. All right, so you can make use of the data for further analysis and so on and so forth. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as share this video to as many as possible to keep getting valuable tutorial freely from this channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.